Okay, so again, they're telling me what to do for a u substitution, but I would notice that because it's a root. Remember, that's to the 1/3 power. If I were to rewrite it, it would be 5x and then 1 minus x squared to the 1/3. So I have a parentheses being powered. Yucky, yucky. So over here, so I would take the inside stuff and set it equal to u. And now if I take the derivative, again with respect to x, I'll get negative 2x, and then getting du by itself gives me negative 2x dx. And so then I go back over and I say, I hope I can find this stuff. And I say, oh man, it's a 5. I don't want a 5. I want a negative 2. So I say, well, no problem. I'll do what I did last time. I'll put the negative 2 in. But that means 5, you've got to get out the way. So I'll put him out front. And then I'll put a negative 2 in there with that x. And keep in mind that this is all turning into u to the 1/3. Now, the minute I put this negative 2 in, I can't just go around multiplying by negative 2 because I feel like it, but I can multiply by a negative 1/2 in front, because together those make a big fat 1, and so I've really multiplied by 1. And then now I note, ooh, this with this, all of that is over here, so I can replace that with du. So out in front, I have the negative 5/2, then I have the u to the 1/3, and then all this stuff that's underlined is turning into du. And I go, oh my goodness, I can power that back up. So I'll have negative 5/2, and then it'll become u to the 4/3, oops, divided by 4/3. Well, that's ugly. Plus my vitamin C. And then let's see, I don't like this crazy fraction on the bottom of fraction. So we'll make that go away, which means now on top we have a negative 15. And on bottom we have 8 u to the 4/3 plus c. And then the last thing I need to do is substitute back in for u. So I'll have negative 15/8, taking out the u and replacing it with 1 minus x squared to the 4/3 plus c. Look at that. Not so bad. Let's try another one.